pag nalugi yung negosyo mo, pag nalugi ka sa investment, yung common na sasabihin nila, dapat talagang di ka nag-invest yan. Mali talaga yan. Scam talaga yung pagninegosyo. Huwag na, balik ka na lang sa pagka-empleyado. Alam mo naman pangarap mo alam mo naman dream mo talaga maging business person You don't have to be with people who think different from you. If you are in the phase of your life already that it's time to take the leap forward, it's time to take a step forward, you push. Sa video na to, gusto kong pag-usapan anong dapat yung gawin na pag nag-i-invest kayo or nagninegosyo kayo, tapos lahat ng mga plano nyo, lahat ng mga gusto nyo gawin, hindi natutupad. It's not doing so well and you're not earning. Pag nagsimula yung mga tao sa business or nagnegosyo sila or nagsimula rin sila mag-invest, lahat ng mga tao very optimistic. May mga projections yan na ito yung gusto ko kitain, ito pwede ko kitain, napakaganda ng produkto ko, napakaganda ng pwede kong gawin, at alam ko madaming tao magugustuhan yung gusto kong ibenta, yung paninda ko, and everything else in between. No one starts a business thinking na malulugi sila. No one starts investing thinking na mawawala yung pera nila. Kaya nga nag-invest yung mga tao kasi they all want to have a better life. They all want their businesses to do very, very well. I just want to give you the reality also of how things are in life. That may mga times talaga na it doesn't work well May mga times na malulugi yung negosyo nyo. May mga times na pag nag-invest kayo, it won't go the way you want it to go. It could go to zero, pwedeng mawala lahat, pwedeng malugi. That's the reality. Why am I saying this at bakit ko to kinikwento? Whenever you watch my videos, lagi akong optimistic about how things will go. Ito yung pwedeng mangyari pag nag-invest. Ito yung mga nangyari sa mga successful din na nagnegosyo, na nag-invest over the past. And those are all good stories. But the reality is also from this, kung saan sila nagsimula, papunta dun sa journey nila, kung kailan sila naging successful, kung kailan sila naging okay sa pera nila. Hardships yun trials yun experiences yun na hindi rin okay People always think to be successful, it's the absence of mistakes. People think that to be successful, it's the absence of you not failing in what you do, in whatever endeavors that you have. Nothing could be further from the truth. Successful people in business, in investments, all had their share of failures, all had their share of mistakes. And kung babalikan ko din yung sa sarili kong buhay, yung mga opportunities na dumating sa akin, nangyari din yun dahil may mga pintuan, or sa English, may mga doors that got closed. Ganun siya. Dahil nasara yung opportunity na yun, nasara yung door na yun, I tried to find other ways to become more creative. There will be times also that you will get disappointed that because of failure, because of you not doing so well either in that business or you not doing so well in that investment and everything else in between. Since nakakalungkot siya, it's easy to give up on your dreams. It's easy to sulk around and to be lonely. Sa statistics, 9 out of 10 businesses failed in the first 5 years. And out of that 5 years after, 9 out of 10 fail even more. If you have 9 out of 10 that would fail in the first year, ibig sabihin, out of 100, 10 lang yung naging successful, kaagad, 90 would fail. The numbers are stacked that it's not gonna work. But what does that mean? It doesn't mean that you quit. Kasi kung nag-fail man kayo sa endeavor na yun, it will open up another opportunity for you to try something else or to do better. Sometimes kasi sa pagkakamali natin, either talagang we got screwed by other people, na talagang kahit ginawa mo lahat ng pwede mong gawin, meron din talagang hindi naging okay, na hindi mo talaga control. Okay lang yun Minsan hindi na natin control yun, pero control natin yung attitude natin, control natin kung ano yung pwede natin gawin in spite of that. Minsan din naman, kasalanan natin, either na mismanage yung pera, hindi mo na-project ng maayos, or hindi ka talaga magaling magbenta, or kung nag-present ka, hindi mo nagawa in the way that it should have been. Pero okay lang Bakit? The next time you start doing it, you will know already what to do Because I'm 39 years old right now. I'm turning 40 this year. What's interesting also is, from the time I started, there were failures in between. Right now, also, in 2023, 2022, 2021, even though already I've written 5 books also, mistakes have been made. There have been ventures that have not been okay. But guess what? That has never stopped me. That has never stopped me from pushing forward and to do the things that I'm passionate about. That has never stopped me from living out the dreams that I would want. I want you to hear this. that if you're in the verge of quitting, malungkot ka kasi hindi mo na-achieve yung mga gusto mong makuha, huwag susuko, huwag titigil. The only time na matatalo ka ay pag tumigil ka, sumuko ka, nakinig ka sa haka-haka ng ibang tao, nakinig ka sa opinion ng ibang tao na hindi naman nila alam pinagdadaanan mo, na hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung mga circumstance na around sa'yo. And it doesn't matter kung nadaya ka nila. It doesn't matter if you think that ginawa mo, best mo, tapos hindi mo nakuha yung dapat mong makuha, or na-manipulate ka, sila lang yung nakinabang sa lahat ng hard work na ginawa mo. Okay lang eh. Hindi pa tapos ang lahat eh. There will be more opportunities that will come your way. Mahaba ang buhay. Kung pinapanood mo to tapos 35 years old ka, even if it sucks, even if it doesn't do so well for the next 36, 37, 38, 39, for the next 4 years from 35 to 39, guess what? It will always get better. And that's why it's so important also that you surround yourself with the right people. It's so important that you surround yourself with people who believe in what you believe. You surround yourself with people who will encourage you, who will lift you up also. You always spend time with people who will bring you up instead of pulling you down, instead of being so negative all the time. Kasi kung puro kasama mo, pare-pareho lang kayo, or hindi nakakapag-add sa'yo, or hindi ka gumagaling, or talagang pag nalugi yung negosyo mo, pag nalugi ka sa investment, yung common na sasabihin nila, dapat talagang hindi ka nag-invest yan, mali talaga yan, scam talaga yung pag-negosyo, wag na, balik ka lang sa pagka-empleyado, alam mo naman pangarap mo, alam mo naman, dream mo talaga maging business person eh. You don't have to be with people who think different from you. If you are in the phase of your life already, that it's time to take the leap forward, it's time to take a step forward, you push. And it's gonna be hard. And if you've been watching my videos, when I say that anything that you do in life that's worth fighting for or worth achieving is hard, because it really is. It really is. It will take a lot out of you. It will take your blood, your sweat, your tears, your time, your resources. And it may not go the way you want it to go. Pero okay lang eh. Diretso lang. Diretso lang, ng diretso lang, ng diretso lang, ng diretso lang. Dahil habang buhay ka pa, lagi may pag-asa eh. There's a reason why when you failed, when that business closed down, or that investment did not do so well, that you were still succeeding, that you were still doing well, that you're still alive, that you're still kicking. Kasi that means, hindi pa tapos yung story mo. There's still a redemption arc in all of this. And yung bida sa redemption arc na yun, ikaw. Why am I saying this? If you're feeling down right now, then surround yourself with the right people. Surround yourself with people who believe in what you believe. Pick yourself up. It's not worth it to dwell in the past. It's not worth it to dwell with the thought of people that have hurt you. Kasi kung tapos na yun, tapos nasasaktan ka sa ginawa ng ibang tao sa'yo, or sa pagkalugi mo, or dun sa nawala na, pero binabalik-balikan mo pa, hindi yun makakatulong eh. Baka sila okay na sila sa buhay nila, ikaw hindi pa. And the only time for you to move forward is to let it go and push forward with the other things that you can do. Wala ka na magagawa, hindi mo na mababalik ang nakaraan, pero mas papalitan mo ang kinabukasan mo. Mas makakagawa ka ng paraan kung anong meron ngayon, kung anong hawak mo, at kung ano yung pwede mong gawin. Yun ang gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. And never, ever, ever, ever think that if you make mistakes in investing or in business, that you're a failure. You may have made mistakes, you may have fallen down, but that does not define who you are. Who you are is more than what you do. Who you are is more than the mistakes that you've made. And I say this, that your destiny is intact. Your dreams, your desires of where you could be is still good. Keep on pushing, keep on moving forward. Huwag titigil, huwag susuko kahit anong mangyari. I don't know why it went this way. Kung hindi ko lang kung napapansin nyo yung mga videos ko, never ako nagkakaroon ng script. Never ako nagkakaroon ng binabasa. Yung ginagawa ko lang kung ano yung feel ko na gusto ko i-share, either from here or from here, yun yung sinishare ko. Ngayon, hindi ako nag-share galing dito. Nag-share ako galing dito. Naniniwala ako na madami nagsastruggle ngayon, madami nahihirapan, madami malungkot. Kung yun yung pinagdadaanan mo, dire-diretso lang. Huwag kang titigil. Gawin mo kung ano yung pwede mong gawin para tumulong sa ibang tao. Kasi pag nalulungkot ka, tapos tumulong ka, it'll make you happier. So yun lang. I hope that this was something that helped you. And this was something that gave you insight also as a business person and as an investor. Marvingermo, I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.